Tá éile bhríomhar Blues on the Bay arás inseo I rinn bheith gile rua don chúgu blina déag as a chéile.
Tá éile just ag fás gacha le bhliain, thosaigh sé amach beag go leor ach anois is féle mór míteach é, tá sé an leathan níl an den ceol, is blues an ceol is mó tóca ach tá jazz a teachta sé tá blues éadrom agus trom gacha le rud agus anois tá bíon lá féile acu in san park agur na báistí being grúpi mór ceol an sin, grúpi pobl seint an sin, tá just an túfás rudaí a tarnas hart an baile.
Chomá leis an ceolalog, bhí Ross Spriel ar siúl ag an éile.
I'm here to take part in the Blues Festival 1 mile run for charity and to listen to a bit of music later on. I was the first girl in, so I'm really happy with that.
Down with the sun keeps on shining, I can feel that ocean.
Giagwich, Ish Misha Sandy Tom, Air Mion It seems like such a fun festival, you know, and everybody just gets up on stage with each other and jams and, you know, and gets to know one another, and it seems like a place where good friends are made as well. So yeah, I mean, I've been here for less than 24 hours and I'm loving it.
And how important is music to you?
It's pretty much my entire existence. Yeah, I mean, I've been playing since I was 4, piano, professionally since I was 14, 15, and I've never stopped. So I obviously do love it.
Very good. And are you impressed with Warren Point? Do you think you'll come back again?
If they invite me back, I will definitely come back, because it's like I say, it's really nice atmosphere and lovely people, great musicians, you know, great crowd, great crack.
It's even done just an buzz atá hart fanáit. It's bailile go thomláin difriúil é. Just gach siúlann tú hart na pobanna agus bíon na slúte bogu agus just na raflaí a gol hart ó caiith tú an grúpa seo eáil nó an grúpa siúda eáil agus bogan an slua hart fanáit.
Tagan an seo a handeir seachtain mar as rinmhigile rua má bhaintear agus bhí agin go an féile ar siúil, bhí mar siúil hart agus thulamid an ceol.
Tá an atmosfér thar tá me sé feartóca lis ná ceol agus tá bhí mé bras asta heachtain seo an 8 Belfasta agus tá go súil go mór leis an ceol tí stíon seo an 8.
There was a famous journalist in the Belfast Telegraph years ago, a guy called Neil Johnson, and he called it like a flow of amplifiers. And it's exactly that, because all the musicians know each other, all the fans know each other, and it's like once a year everybody just disappears at a whole different world. What I've done in the past maybe has brought 2 musicians that don't know each other and put them in the same bill and hope that they click. You know, like sort of, it's a bit like a relationship, you know, some musicians really click, and if they do, what they're going to produce. And the blues, you don't plan it, you don't know from the next minute what you're going to do.
Béisi dachar é a bula. Nílas agam conas a dhéanaan aon sans é, cos gach eile bliain bíon rud a céint níos mó aige. Like, bhí Van Morrison an seo gin faoi go, bhí Peter Green agin réalta mór, réalta daimde agus tá tú an iad a eáil áitina an beag I the local mar dearan. But sinna an rud faoin éile seo is a gur na ceoltóirí lob héin dearan siad is even lob an féile seo tá sin neall formalta agus bíonn sin meastan an pobl agus just tá atmosfér tá buzz iontal hart fanáit.
Well, níos mú ná 9 gig éagsúil agus atmosfér bra cordial an seo is cinnte go bhfuil Blues on the Bay ar na féiltí sná ceol is iontaí agus is aitheanta ar domhan.